advancing the eco-evolution. The core of Toshiba Air Conditioning's philosophy is a profound respect for our global environment and the passionate pursuit towards improving the quality of life for our customers worldwide. As part of that global commitment, we develop cutting-edge technologies and advancements that serve to benefit people everywhere by offering an ideal balance of comfort and ecologically superior products. Our advanced R&D in the field of super energy efficient and cleaner technologies has resulted in innovative products that not only use significantly less energy but help maintain air quality through state-of-the-art air purification systems for the home and business. We endeavor to lead by example by delivering the highest quality environmental systems that give added value and contribute responsibly to the advancement of humankind. We call this philosophy advancing the eco-evolution, and for us, it's not an advertising slogan, it's a promise. A global network for worldwide support. To offer our customers the total solution in air conditioning, the quality of our products is but one of our responsibilities. A worldwide network of distributors, dealers and technicians is also key to customer satisfaction. Toshiba Air Conditioning continues to expand and we are represented in no less than 120 countries, offering the widest range of products from small-scale home air conditioners to large-scale building and industrial systems. Some of the major projects recently completed globally include the InfoCity in India, the Beijing Imperial Palace Museum in China, and the Capitolini Museums in Italy. The future, growing together with you. For Toshiba, the words leading innovation not only looks back at our past achievements, we are always aware of present requirements and prepared for future needs. And we can only achieve this goal by working together with you. For a better home, a better life, a better world.